Hey guys, this is Tom from Taylor Hydraulics, working at Super Ford in the city of Industry, California. Going to be removing the top piston. It's a heavy son of a gun, weighs in at about 400 pounds, 350, 400. And to remove that, it's only me involved. So I have the use of my homemade gantry with a block and tackle that I use, and makes the job, of course, so much simpler. My younger days, I could have picked it up, one end at a time, and raising the lift, putting on locks, and then actually picking it up. But these days, when you hit 54, it gets a little tougher. So this makes it a world of difference, of course, and you don't wind up hurting your fingers or hands or catching anything. But I'm replacing the piston due to an internal leak. It's bypassing in the internal seals. No visible leaks, but this has an internal leak, just like on an old master cylinder would do. It would bypass if you put your foot on the brake and it just go down. So any mechanic can relate to that. A bypass in a master cylinder is an internal leak. Okay, this is a BendPak BP18, 18,000 pound capacity lift, and this is part one of a few series. Today will be the removal. I'll be setting up the gantry over the ramp, which is going to be a little unstable, so I'll have to actually lean it in against the frame. Took the lights out because the lights are right overhead, so this is a little bit more difficult. So the lights were already removed, and I may have to disconnect this end and drop the whole fixture to the side. If I can get away with it like that, I'm going to leave it. So this is part one. Let me set up the gantry and just stay with me for part two, and that'll be followed right past this video. Okay, thanks a lot, guys.